Mrs. Bolton, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is in the top three. And in third, Jamaica. The Queen is heading back to Tokyo. From 2005 beyond. Here's another look at it. Here's the final. What an ending. What a Kingston ending. It is a lifetime best 10.81. She was 10.93 in qualifying.
And tonight is about Jamaica. We have a saying in Jamaica, with little, with Talawa. Well, that one is personified when you look at Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. She little, but she Talawa. I was there in Beijing, and I could not believe what I saw. And there were, Shelly, and I'm sure there were the doubting Thomases. There were those who did not think that this little, tiny young miss could sustain. And tonight, we are celebrating Shelly-Ann. She has been a perfect example to the women of Jamaica. You stay focused. You keep your eyes on the prize. And you will continue to win. She's a great example for the athletes as well. Shelly-Ann is a loyal, patriotic Jamaican athlete. And we love you. Jamaica loves you, Shelly-Ann.
Yes, we got one.
Here, Shelly-Ann. All right.
I just want to say tonight I'm really grateful to be here, and I want to give God all the glory tonight because it is His promises that we stand on, and it is what we believe in. And this evening was not just about making the team for me, it's really about just a celebration of this journey and what you guys have done for me, your support, your love, your dedication and your commitment to just years of service. I want to thank you for your love, and I hope you guys will continue to just cheer on Team Jamaica. It doesn't matter where we are in the race today or tomorrow, but it takes great strength, resilience to continue to, just work hard and to represent our country. So I want to thank, just the team of, volunteers, Jamaicans, Waterhouse, the starters, J-Trays, the ministers, every single person that's here tonight. I want to thank you for your support. And it's not goodbye, because I'll see you in Tokyo. But it has been a real joy and a privilege to represent this country. It has been my pleasure to be in this national stadium for one last time. I remember the first time I ran in this stadium, I was in primary school, 1997. And tonight, just standing here for one last time, I hope I leave just a legacy of inspiration to every single girl that's here tonight that decides to dream and decides that they want more. The world is yours. Continue to chase your dreams and let no one take your dreams and your hopes from you. God is good all the time.